So excited about the MA TESOL table at the Graduate Open House scheduled on October 7th in Alumni Hall.
I know it's exciting. I'm so excited to meet and talk to prospective students who will come about our programs, our MA program, our certificate program, and the ESL and bilingual endorsement program for teachers. It's really great because we also have swag items like notebooks,
Oh,
lip
nice.
balm, yeah, lip
Oh, excellent.
balm, and pens and so on. So,
Oh, that's
yeah.
great. One thing I like to tell students in the MA TESOL is the ability to impact others on a global scale. The career opportunities are truly endless, from pre-K-12, public and private English language instruction to program administration.
I agree. It's really, our program is special that way. We have great relationships with the Chicago schools in the Chicago land area, different districts. And that has allowed us to serve many teachers at different levels. And when they come to us, they also pick up, in addition to the 6 classes towards ESL and bilingual endorsement, they pick up 6 more classes and get a master's degree. So that's a very special feature of our program.
Oh, that's fantastic. I also appreciate the overlap of the ESL endorsement and graduate certificate courses. The four of the courses from the TESOL certificate, graduate certificate can be applied to the ESL endorsement.
Please join us on October 7th at our TESOL Open House on the main campus in the Alumni Hall.
You can learn more about the MA in TESOL graduate certificate and ESL bilingual endorsement programs in the event. Come, we would be very happy to answer your questions.